Welcome back, folks. 7:20 on this Monday morning. I wanted to start things off with a recap of the rainfall we saw over the last week. Almost everyone seeing well north of an inch. 3 inches here in Columbus, 3.8 New Albany, 5.5 in Oxford, and 4 inches in Tupelo. And Tupelo actually had some flash flooding problems over the weekend. Our average for June is about 4.5 inches, and we've seen over 5 inches of rain already in just over a week's time in some places. You can see Oxford has already surpassed what we expect for the entire month. So it's been absurdly rainy. We've got moisture from every level of the atmosphere from the surface all the way up, and that is just going to leave us with these rain chances for the next couple of days. Here's this afternoon. A big cluster of showers and thunderstorms will work its way into the Golden Triangle around dinner time. The activity will start to slow a little bit over the evening. We could still see some scattered showers out there, but I think we get another wave of energy and we get another wave of storminess to start off our morning on Tuesday. Now, this is a big change from what we're used to seeing. We're used to seeing this exist in the afternoon, not necessarily in the morning. So you're definitely going to want to have an umbrella, a rain jacket tomorrow morning, and keep it for the afternoon because we've still got our typical show of scattered showers in the afternoon, very hit or miss. But again, if you find yourself under one of these showers, there is such a wealth of moisture in the atmosphere that it is going to dump a ton of water in a very short succession. And we could see that activity continue even into Tuesday evening. So we've got several rounds of rain coming up this afternoon and into tomorrow. And that activity will slowly settle by the time we get into the midweek, a 40% chance of rain. From there, we finally look to mostly dry out, although I will say an isolated shower is certainly possible. And on top of our already sky-high rainfall totals from the last week, we're going to add at least an inch or so to those totals over the next 5 days. An inch more here in Columbus, 1.25 inches West Point, as much as 2 inches to maybe 1.75 inches the further northwest we get. That looks to be a more favorable storm track over the next few days. So again, adding a lot of water to the already impressive rainfall totals we've already seen. For now, though, we're dry and it's a nice morning so far. 73 Columbus, 72 Corinth, 72 Starkville, and 72 as well over in Vernon. So not too shabby through the afternoon. We will start to see heat index values get up into the upper 80s to mid 90s out there. So it's going to be a warm and muggy afternoon. But Keely, it looks like we might finally have a dry afternoon or two coming up this weekend.
Hey, that's some good news right there, Charlie. But